Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bright MLS for investment search and agent tools, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Bright MLS. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Bright MLS homepage. On the homepage, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will be prompted to enter your username and password. Input your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Make sure to check your credentials for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click the Submit button. Wait for the page to load, and you should be directed to your Bright MLS dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the search bar for investment properties. You can filter your search by different criteria, such as location and price range. Utilize the agent tools available on the platform to analyze potential investments. These tools may include market reports, property analytics, and historical data. If you need assistance while navigating the platform, check the Help section. This section often includes guides and FAQs to address common questions. Feel free to explore other features available in Bright MLS for a comprehensive experience. Make sure to log out after your session for security purposes. To log out, locate the profile icon, usually in the top right corner. Click on the profile icon and select the logout option from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged out of Bright MLS. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to Bright MLS support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.